thought you weren't going to say anything.
No, what I said was I did not have room in my brain for your secret. Hence, I removed it and transferred it to Lynn, whose brain apparently has ample room.
Thanks. Hey, so you are being picked on. Of course not.
Then what's that?
That's just my gum. Watermelon lime. And hair. Guys! Please stay out of this. You only make it worse.
If by worse, you mean better, I agree.
You should go straight to the school principal.
Forget that. You should literally text an embarrassing picture of him to all his friends.
I'm gonna write an insult comedy routine that'll leave him in tears.
Basic stealth ninja kick. That's how you're gonna take him down.
Well, folks, the National Weather Service has just released a Category 1 Sister NATO watch. We advise boarding up your windows and preparing your emergency supplies.
The camel clutch. Another good option for you.
Look, I don't need any...
We'll start with some basic dumb jokes. Like, you're so dumb you locked yourself inside your car. That kind of thing.
Oh, I know. I'll invite him to a tea party and make him use the chipped cup. I'm so evil. Sometimes I scare even me.
What are you doing?
Surprise mime attack! I invented that one myself.
Lynn, I'm not going to fight.
Fine. I'll take care of this myself.
You should do this. His ears will be ringing for days. Ugly jokes are always good, too. Like, you're so ugly, you have to trick-or-treat over the phone.
What?
Yeah, look! I found him! How dare you bully our brother? Only we get to do that.
Smush your watermelon lime gum in his hair, Lincoln. Fine, I'll do it.
Oh, wait, stop! This guy isn't my enemy. Although, thanks to you, he probably will be now.
Oh. Why are you still here?
I can't believe I almost wasted perfectly good gum on him.
I'll go get another boy.
No! Lynn, stop! It's not even a boy!
Is it a dog?